Can you read question number 3?
The heights of Form 1 pupils in a certain school are normally distributed with mean of 145 cm and a standard deviation of 10 cm. If a pupil is randomly selected from that group, find the probability that the pupil's height is at least 140 cm. If there are 450 pupils in Form 1, find the number of pupils with a height not more than 150.
Okay, right. So first of all, we have to write down the x distribution, right? What is the x distribution? X is distributed normally 145, the mean, and this one is the variance. Variance 10 squared. Standard deviation is 10. Okay, now find the probability the height is more than 140. That means you want to find the x more than 140, right? You want to find the x more than 140. X more than 140 means z more than 140 minus 145 divided by 10. Now, over here, you want the probability of x more than 140. That is the question. But probability of x cannot find. So you have to convert to z. So when you convert to z, you use the formula for z, convert to z. And it is equivalent to z greater than negative 0.5. So use your calculator, r negative 0.5. And you get the answer, probability is 0.6914. Any questions so far?
No, teacher.
No, no question. Okay, next one, the B. If there are 450 pupils in Form 1, find the number of pupils with height not more than 150. Not more than 150 means less than 150. Now, first of all, we cannot find the number yet. We have to find the probability first, right? We have to find the probability first. So we try to find the probability of the student less than 150. Probability of the student less than 150, we convert to the z-score. Less than 150 means z less than this number. 150 minus 145 divided by 10. Oh, very simple. Z less than 0.5. So using your calculator, find the value of probability z less than 0.5. This will give you the probability of x less than 150. You know? So use your calculator. Finally, you found out this answer. Probability less than 0.5 is 0.6915. But the question don't want to find probability. The question want to find the number of students. How to find probability? How to relate the probability with the number of students? So you use the number of students, divide by the total number of students, that will be your probability. So the probability is 0.6915. The total number of students is 450. So you use the probability, multiply with the total number of students. You will get the students 311. This means that only 311 of them will have the height less than 150. Any question? Any question so far? Okay, no question. Ethan, no question. Ethan, no question. Very good. Okay. Actually, this one is Jiayan, not Chen Tong. Jiayan also no question. Actually, she just keep quiet only. She knows what is going on. Can you please read question number 4, Li Yin? Question 4.
In a certain school, 200 pupils take a mathematics test. The scores are normally distributed with a mean of 50 marks and a standard deviation of 10 marks. In the test, pupils who obtain 70 marks and above are categorized as excellent. Find the number of pupils in that category. Given that 60% of pupils pass the test, calculate the minimum score to pass.
Okay, right. So again, if you are not very sure, then you write down what is given in the question. So I'm going to write down what is given in the question. The question says the marks X is distributed normally with mean 50 and variance 100 square. Is that correct? Correct. Okay. Then they say 70 marks and above, excellent. Find the number 70 and above. Now we cannot find the number yet. We have to find the probability first. Find the probability, then we relate with the number, right? So find the probability greater than 70. Now probability greater than 70, right, is the same as probability of Z greater than 70 minus 50 over 10. Now this step is necessary if you want to find the probability, because you cannot find the probability directly from X. We can only find the probability from Z. So you have to convert the X to Z in order to find the probability. So converted to Z, the Z score is 2. The Z score is 2. This one, right? So from the Z score equal to 2, you can use your calculator or the table, right? Then you type in and the number is, probability is 0.02275. But they don't want the probability, they want the number of students. So what did we do over here? What did we do over here? If you want to find the number of students, you have to multiply the probability with the total. So we're going to multiply the probability with the total. Probability is 0.02275. Total is 200. So we multiply together, the number of students is 5. So we know that there are 5 excellent students with marks above 70. I think the time up already. So the part B, we're going to continue